Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and as you saw in the title, today I'm testing possibly the best markers in the market, but first we gotta do the line art, and therefore I thought of drawing a split face of Gogeta Super Saiyan Blue and normal Super Saiyan so I can use as many color tones as possible. We will talk about the markers I'm using today when I finish the line art, so let's jump right into it. Alright guys, the line art looks crispy and I can't wait to give this some color. But first, let's check out the markers I received from Ohuhu. Ohuhu provided me with this 120 marker set which came in this little bag. As you know from my other videos, I'm using Ohuhu markers for around 2 years now and they really became my main coloring supply. And the markers I got here are a little different than the others I own. This one got the normal brush tip, which are amazing and which I'm using most of the time, and on the other side they have another fine tip which is very hard and stable and which perfectly works for smaller and more detailed areas. I love the design, and now let's check out how vibrant these colors are. So right now I'm searching for the right color tones for my drawing, and I'm doing this for every drawing of mine before coloring. And as usual, using these Ohuhu markers is amazing. I just love the vibrant colors and the blending already seems to be great, but we will take a deeper look at that later. I also want to choose only from these 120 new markers I got to prove that you can create a very colorful artwork with this specific bag of markers, which by the way costs around $100. Guys, that's a very good price. It means that one marker costs way below $1, but I think it depends on from where you purchase them. And the real cool thing is, Ohuhu finally made these markers refillable, which are amazing news for me, as I really use these markers most of the time. Alright, we got the colors for Super Saiyan Blue and Super Saiyan ready, and for both sides I'm even using different skin color tones. I'm starting with the mouth and the eye part, which are equal on both sides color-wise. And as I'm used to Ohuhu markers, the colors are amazing as usual, so vibrant and the blending is very smooth. As for the skin, I'm starting with the blue side and therefore I choose more brown tones for the skin. On the Super Saiyan side, I will use more pinkish skin tones. As you can see, I outline the parts for the shades. Sometimes I do that because it helps me. I will give the skin many different color tones to make it very vibrant and stand out. And once again, I love the colors. Even when you color larger parts like on a chest, you can still color very evenly, even though you have to use many layers, but that's normal. And the blending also works very well, as I said. Now to the Super Saiyan skin. The process is the same, but I'm using different color tones so we can compare a bit more. So let me color the face and then we can talk. So, the more pinkish skin color tones are also very good. I really like it as the skin looks very natural and kinda realistic. The different variations of skin color tones from this set are definitely amazing, and after I have finished the skin, we can take a look at the color tones for the hair. Starting with the blue side, and therefore I choose a few different blue color tones. I always like to start with the brightest color tone and work myself up to the darkest. You don't have to color like that, but I like to do it. And man, these blue tones are so vibrant, so strong, and are almost screaming. The colors are so strong that I don't even have to use several layers to color evenly. 2, maybe 3 layers are totally enough. Perfect. Now to the yellow side, and same process here. The yellow tones are not so vibrant compared to the blue side, but still very strong. And I gotta point out the brush tip. It feels so natural and easy to work with it. It's just fun. Now to the last part, the jacket. As for Super Saiyan Blue, Gogeta has a yellowish collar, and therefore I'm using an olive yellow for the shades and a normal yellow for the base. And as for the shades, I had to use many layers until I could color these areas as even as possible. With some color tones, it's just like that, and it has nothing to do with the marker, I think. Alright, now to the Super Saiyan side, and here the color of the jacket is orange. I choose a few different orange tones here as well, and of course orange is a way more vibrant and stronger color tone than olive yellow. And yes, these orange tones are strong. It's very easy to color evenly with these tones, even on larger areas. And guys, that's pretty much it. Now let me finish the drawing by giving it the final details, and then we will talk a bit more about these markers. Alright guys, there we have the final result, and I think it looks great. I drew this Gogeta drawing completely from the mind, and therefore I'm very happy with the drawing itself. What else can I say about these markers and the coloring? I think we can see that the colors are amazing and have a very high quality. Especially for the price, it's amazing. Around $100 for 120 markers is more than fair considering how great they are. For me, these are definitely the best markers I own, and I'm not just saying that because this is a collaboration. I'm using Ohuhu markers for every drawing of mine for a very long time now, so you can trust me on that. And the fact that these markers are also refillable makes it even better. And the best thing is that you can even get 10% off with the code TOLG10 by purchasing from Ohuhu's website directly, which is linked down below. The code is valid for a month, so take a look and get yourself some amazing Ohuhu products. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video today. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to both of my channels, check out my online shop, and message me on Instagram for commission. Thank you all for watching, and I see you on the next